2 Timothy 1-7 says, "For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind." Today's bracelet is inspired by this verse. This is your reminder that you're not alone and that God is with you. I'm using 0.5 millimeter string, scissors, a spoon, glass beads. I'm using silver ball spacers. I've used a total of 12 glass beads and 10 spacers. This bracelet is measured for a 7-inch wrist. And the words say faith over fear. This bracelet is perfect for you if you're struggling or if you know someone else who's struggling. Something I want to share that I live by is in times of uncertainty that Jesus stands as the one unwavering presence who will never let you down. I live by that. When you're scared or you don't know what to do and you're facing a tough time, you can look to him for love and strength. Comment below and let me know the one thing that you're trusting God to help you overcome. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the next one.